Chechens are not Russians, and their DNA is unique. Here's why Chechens, along with closely related Ingush, are their own distinct ethnic group, with no ethnic or genetic ties to Russians. And their DNA is unique in the sense that, unlike Georgians, who are pretty much mostly native Caucasians, Chechens, along with major Caucasian and Anatolian ancestry, also have notable steppe ancestry at about 25%. Their steppe ancestry is multi-layered and probably includes earlier populations such as Scythians, and then later populations such as Turkic steppe nomads. As a result, Chechens are essentially native Caucasians mixed with steppe nomad ancestry of different sources. What is fascinating is that Alans, who are descendants of Sarmatians mixed with Caucasians, are often debated to be either the ancestors of Ossetians or Karachays. Yet autosomally Chechens are the closest modern group genetically to Alans, and additionally the Y haplogroup subclades of R1a and Q found in Alan remains are found mostly in Chechens and somewhat in West Europeans but not in Ossetians. If you'd like to learn from what ancestral populations you descend, click the link in the bio and purchase the report suitable for you.
Да что ты, черт побери, такое несешь?
План еще хамаш, да что блядь, сам исполнитель отдаться.
Ну, я не знаю, может это и вахи тоже, да, замутили вот это все же повсюду распространено это.